All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about string methods. So you can see on the left-hand side that we have the method, and then on the right-hand side, we have the description. So let's go through these. We have capitalize, so it converts the first character to uppercase. Case fold converts string into lowercase. Center returns a center string. Count returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. Encode returns an encoded version of the string. Ends with returns true with the string if the string ends with a specified value. Expand tabs sets the tab size of the string. Find searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Format formats specified values in a string. Format map, same deal. Index searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Isolnum returns true if all characters in a string are alphanumeric. Okay, then we have isAlpha, which returns true if all characters in the string are in the alphabet. IsDecimal returns true if all characters in the string are decimals. IsDigit returns true if all characters in the string are digits. IsIdentifier returns true if the string is an identifier. IsLower returns true if all characters in the string are lowercase. IsNumeric returns true if all characters in the string are numeric. IsPrintable returns true if all characters in the string are printable. IsSpace returns true if all characters in the string are white spaces. IsTitle returns true if the string follows the rules of a title. IsUpper returns true if all characters in the string are uppercase. And join joins the elements of an iterable to the end of the string. Okay. Then we have iJust or ljust returns a left justified version of the string. Lower converts a string into lowercase. lstrip returns a left trim version of the string. Maketrans returns a translation table to be used in translations. Partition returns a tuple where the string is parted into 3 parts. Replace returns a string where a specified value is replaced with a specified value. Our find searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. Our index searches the string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. Our partition returns a tuple where the string is parted into 3 parts. Our split splits the string as at the specified separator and returns a list. Our strip returns a right trim version of the string. And finally, we have split. So splits the string at a specified separator and returns a list. Split line splits the string at the line breaks and returns a list. Starts with returns true if the string starts with the specified value. Strip returns a trimmed version of the string. Swap case is lowercase, becomes uppercase, and vice versa. Title converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Translate returns a translated string. Upper converts a string into uppercase. And zfill fills the string with a specified number of 0 values at the beginning. So let's dive into our strings notebook and take a look at some of these string methods. All right, so let's jump into this. So first thing I want to do is I want to look at the capitalize method. So let's comment this out and let's call this string methods and then return and do another comment out and capitalize. Okay. And then we'll return and then let's actually do that. Okay, so let's do txt equals hello Python. Okay, and then let's do x equals txt.capitalize. And remember, you don't have to memorize any of these methods. These are all documented on Python site as well as other resources out there. Well, they'll have a list of methods. So you don't need to memorize them, but it's really fun to take a look at them and see how they work and how you can use them in your projects and in your code. Okay? So I'm going to print X, and let's see what that does. Hello, Python. So it's going to do uppercase for the first letter in this sentence. So hello, Python. So hello will be capitalized. Okay? Then when we do the case fold, we'll make the string lowercase. So if I do the same thing here, and I just copy this, okay, and paste it here, and we just change this to, instead of capitalized, case fold, right? And then we capitalize hello, and capitalize Python, and delete the lowercase one. And instead of capitalize, we do case fold, okay? You'll see what it does. I run that, and now we have hello Python in all lowercase, okay? So again, the great example of this is the more of these that we do, the more examples you're going to have, and you can reference this when you need to, but you can also find documentation online. So again, you don't need to memorize any of these. Just have fun with it and take a look, okay? So now let's print the word Python, taking up the space of 20 characters with Python in the middle, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do center method, okay? So let's do string methods, and then let's do center method, okay? And then we'll do text equals Python, okay? And we'll do x equals text.center 20. And then we'll print x. Okay, and then we'll run that, and we get Python. I don't know how to spell Python. There we go. That's not how you spell it either. Come on, man. There we go. Python. There you go. Python. Okay. So what it does is it center lines the string, okay, which you can see from the example. Then let's do the count method. So again, let's copy this so we're not writing everything out. And then what we'll do is we'll change this to count. Okay, whoop. So let's do that. And then what I'm going to do is let's do text. We're going to return the number of times the value Python appears in the string. Okay, so let's do text equals I really love Python. Python is a great programming language to learn. Okay, and then if I do x equals txt.count Python, we're going to print x, and what do we get? 2. So Python is in there twice, so it's going to grab Python and count it, and then you can see how many times you have it in there. Beautiful. Now let's look at the encode method. So the encode method encodes the string using the specified encoding. If no encoding is specified, UTF-8 will be used. Okay? So with this one, let's copy this again, just so that we know it's a string method. And let's change this to encode. Okay? And then what we'll do is we'll do txt hello Python txt x equals txt.encode, and then we'll do print x, and what do we get? Hello Python. Okay, then let's do ends with. So the ends with method returns true if the string ends with a specified value, otherwise it's false. Okay, so let's copy this again, and what we'll do is we will change this method to ends with, okay, and then we'll do txt equals hello Python, you rock. Okay, and then we'll do so we're going to check for the punctuation sign of a period. So let's do x equals txt ends with, and then in quotes, I don't know why I put that in quotes. Come on, man, double quotes. Okay, then we'll do double quotes here. We'll do period, and then we'll print x. And that should give us the result of true. There you go. Okay. Then we have expand tabs. So we can set the tab size to 2 white spaces. Okay, so the expand tabs method sets the tab size to a specified number of white spaces. Okay, so what we can do is we'll copy this again, string methods, and we'll do expand tabs. Okay, and we'll do txt equals p, and let's use the backslash. Okay, Python okay, and then we'll do x equals txt expand tabs. We're going to do 2, and then we'll print x. Print x. Okay, we'll run that. Okay, and there you go. Okay, now let's do the find method. So where in the text is the word hello? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write out, let's write out find. Okay, and then we're going to do hello Python. So let's do txt hello Python. Okay, and then we'll do x equals txt.find hello, and then we'll print x. Okay, and then when I run that, there's the position. So the value is 0 because remember the index is 0. But if I type in Python, it'll be 1. Okay, or 6. Because it's counting the strings. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there you go. So that's string methods. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.